All right, you guys. So we're going to do one more example, and that is going to address what happens when we don't have, or when we do have a remainder. Okay. And actually, I'm going to post another video after this. There's another situation I need to address. So if I have the problem m to the fourth minus m to the third minus 28m squared plus 8m minus 6, and I am dividing that by m plus 5. Okay? All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the coefficients from the first polynomial. So I have 1, -1, -28, 8, and -6. Okay? And then to run synthetic division, I have to take the opposite of plus 5. So -5. Okay? And now I'm just going to run that division where I'm adding and I'm multiplying. And I know we're calling it division, but I'm not actually using division to solve the problem. But that's okay. So I'm going to drop down the 1, and then I'm going to multiply. -5 times 1 is -5. I'm going to add -1 and -5 to get -6. I'm going to multiply -5 times -6 to get 30. Oops. I'm going to add -28 plus 30. That gives me 2. I'm going to multiply -5 times 2, which is -10. I'm going to add that. 8 plus -10 is -2. I'm going to multiply -5 times -2, which is +10. And then I'm going to add that, and that's going to be 4. Okay, so now I have a remainder, which is fine. No need to panic. It works. This is my number. This is my m term. And notice I'm going to increase those exponents. This is m squared. This is m to the third. Okay, now I'm going to write my answer. Okay, so my answer to this division problem of this polynomial divided by this polynomial is m to the third minus 6m squared plus 2m minus 2 plus 4 divided by m plus 5. So that's how I deal with my remainder. Okay? So if I draw some arrows here, so 4 went into the numerator. Okay, and then m plus 5, that's your denominator. Okay, so that's how you're going to handle what happens when you have a remainder when you divide using this technique that we call synthetic division. Okay, all right, one more example, and you should be good to go on your Delta Math assignment.